Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12 and today we are going to make the fingerprint sensor test. Of course you can find this sensor on the right edge of your smartphone. So we are going to check how fast and if it's reliable for sure. Let's make like 5 or 10 tries and let's check how it works. So I'm gonna put back AirPods here and right now I'm going to lock the device. So let's go. So as you can see, for sure it's reliable, it works every time. So that's a very good point of the smartphone. And fast, not that bad. It's not the fastest fingerprint sensor on the old smartphones that you can find actually, but it works not that good, not that bad. Of course, the good comparison will be to Huawei P40 Lite, and to be honest, A12 is worse than P40 Lite. If you are thinking about the fingerprint sensor, when you use P40 Lite, you put finger and then you unlock your phone immediately. You put it and then it's just unlocked. And here we have to wait for 1 second on 1.5 second delay. So yeah, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.